What if the worst day in Earth's history happened in just minutes? I'm talking about the end of the dinosaurs, an event so sudden and so violent it rewrote the planet. Here's the wild part. It wasn't a slow fade-out, it was a cosmic sucker punch. 66 million years ago, a space rock about 10 to 12 kilometers wide slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. We've found the scar, the Chicxulub crater, buried under Mexico. It's 180 kilometers across. That's not a hole. That's a planet-sized bruise. In the first second after impact, the rock vaporized. Temperatures spiked to thousands of degrees. Shockwaves ripped through the crust, triggering earthquakes across the globe. A wall of water, mega tsunamis, hundreds of meters high, raced outward, scouring coastlines. If you were anywhere near the Gulf of Mexico, you wouldn't have seen a fireball. You'd have become part of it. But the real killer wasn't just heat. It was the sky itself. The impact blasted trillions of tons of rock into the air, pulverized into glassy droplets called tektites. As they rained back down, they heated the atmosphere like an oven broiler. Forests ignited. The world glowed. For hours, it was raining fire. Then came the long night. Dust, soot, and sulfur hung in the stratosphere, dimming the sun. Photosynthesis crashed. Food chains snapped. On land and in the oceans, big animals lost first, because being big is a calorie problem when the pantry is empty. About 3 out of every 4 species vanished, including all non-avian dinosaurs. But not everything died. Some birds, yes, birds are dinosaurs, made it. Crocodiles, turtles, small mammals, and anything that could hide, burrow, or wait out the famine had a shot. Why do we know it was an asteroid and not volcanoes alone? 2 smoking guns. First, a thin global layer of clay rich in iridium, rare on Earth, common in asteroids, dated exactly to this time. Second, shocked quartz microscopic spherules, minerals deformed and melted by unimaginable pressure and heat. These lie everywhere from North America to New Zealand. They're time-stamped shrapnel. Volcanic eruptions in India, the Deccan traps, were massive and may have stressed ecosystems. But the timing, the crater, the chemistry, and the worldwide debris all point to a single catastrophic blow as the closer. And here's the twist. That bad day made room for us. With dinosaurs gone, mammals diversified, eventually leading to primates, then humans. We live in the wake of a planetary reset. So what's the takeaway? Space matters. Tiny changes in orbits can decide who rules Earth. The dinosaurs didn't have telescopes or rockets. We do. That's why tracking near-Earth asteroids and building deflection tech isn't sci-fi. It's insurance. Let me recap. A 10-kilometer asteroid hits at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. Immediate fireball, shockwaves, and tsunamis. A global rain of molten glass heats the atmosphere, then months to years of dim sunlight crash ecosystems. 75% of species gone. Birds survive, mammals rise, the evidence iridium layer, shocked minerals, and the Chicxulub crater. The end of the dinosaurs wasn't just an extinction story. It was a reset button. The same physics that ended one world gave ours a chance to begin. And that makes our job simple. Pay attention to the sky.